Hello everyone, welcome back to CARHOW. Today we are talking about a small truck that is creating a lot of buzz in the mini commercial vehicle market, the Suzuki Carry 2026. If you were searching for information about Suzuki Carry 2026 Harga and its expected price, features, and overall value, this video is for you. The Suzuki Carry has always been known as a reliable, fuel-efficient, and budget-friendly vehicle for small businesses. In 2026, Suzuki has taken this legacy forward with a refreshed design and practical upgrades that make it even more appealing for daily commercial use. The new Suzuki Carry 2026 still keeps its compact size, which is perfect for narrow city roads, crowded markets, and easy parking, but it feels more modern and refined than before. From the outside, the Suzuki Carry 2026 looks clean and functional. The front design is simple yet modern, with improved headlights and a more solid grille. The body shape remains boxy, which is actually a big advantage because it allows maximum cargo space. Whether you are using it for delivery, shop supply, or small transport business, this truck is clearly designed to work hard every day. Inside the cabin, Suzuki has focused on practicality. The interior is simple, durable, and easy to maintain. You get a comfortable driving position, basic but clear instrument cluster, and enough storage spaces for documents and small items. The seats are designed for long working hours, and visibility is very good, which helps a lot in city driving. Now let's talk about the most important thing, Suzuki Carry 2026 Harga. The expected price of Suzuki Carry 2026 is around $1,800,000 to $2,200,000 in local currency, depending on the market, taxes, and variant. This price range makes it one of the most affordable brand-new mini trucks available. For small business owners, this is a big plus because it offers low initial investment with strong resale value. In terms of performance, the Suzuki Carry 2026 comes with a small but efficient engine that focuses on fuel economy rather than speed. It is perfect for daily transport needs and helps reduce running costs. Maintenance is also easy, and spare parts are widely available, which makes ownership stress-free. Overall, the Suzuki Carry 2026 is a smart choice for anyone looking for a reliable, economical, and practical commercial vehicle. Its affordable price, low fuel consumption, and trusted Suzuki reliability make it a strong option in its segment. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to CARHOW. Please like this video and share it with your friends who are interested in cars and commercial vehicles. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.